Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This video is on vocabulary. Please don't skip the video. Please watch the video fully. Vocabulary is a crucial part of communication, and having a good vocabulary can help you express your ideas and thoughts more effectively. In this video, we will cover some essential vocabulary words, including their meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use these words in context. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of these words and their meanings, which can help you improve your writing, reading, and speaking skills. So, let's dive into the world of vocabulary together. First vocabulary word is abate. The meaning of abate is to become less intense or widespread. The synonym is diminish, decrease, subside. Antonym is intensify, increase, escalate. Abate means the level of is coming down. It's the abate meaning. Usage. The rain gradually abated as the night went on. The rain gradually abated means gradually decreased as the night going on. Second vocabulary word is bellicose. The meaning of bellicose is demonstrating aggression and willingness to fight. Synonyms are belligerent, aggressive, and combative. The antonyms of bellicose are peaceful, pacifist, amicable. The usage of bellicose in text is the bellicose behavior of the protesters led to the clash with police. The bellicose behavior means the misbehavior or the arrogant behaviors of the protesters led to the clash with the police. Next word, vocabulary versus capricious. The meaning of capricious is given to sudden and unaccountable changes of mood and behavior, which means the sudden change or a sudden change in your behavior. You can't consider or come to the conclusion about one's behavior. It can be a sudden and unaccountable change. Meaning of capricious is fickle, unpredictable, erratic. The antonym of capricious is consistent, reliable, steadfast. Usage. Her capricious nature made it hard for him to know how to please her. In the antonyms between consistent and reliable, a comma will be coming. That I missed a comma between consistent and reliable. The next vocabulary word is dearth. The meaning of dearth is scarcity or lack of something. Synonym of dearth is shortage, deficiency, insufficiency. The antonym of dearth is abundance, surplus, plenty. Usage of a word dearth in a sentence. Example is, there was a dearth of fresh produce at the market due to bad weather. The meaning of this sentence is, the market do not have fresh products due to bad weather. Next vocabulary versus ephemeral. The meaning of ephemeral is lasting for a very short time. That's a thing which lasts for only a short span of time is known as ephemeral. Synonyms of ephemeral are fleeting, transient, momentary. Antonyms of ephemeral are permanent, enduring, everlasting. Usage of sentence ephemeral in a sentence is usage of word ephemeral in a sentence is the example is the beauty of cherry blossoms was ephemeral as they only blossomed only for only few days. Next vocabulary word is Flomax. The meaning of Flomax is to confuse or perplex. Synonym of Flomax is baffle, bewilder, confound. Antonym of Flomax is clarify, explain, enlighten. Usage of Flomax word in a sentence is the complex instructions flummoxed him and he could not figure out how to assemble the furniture. The Flomax meaning is confusion. The next vocabulary verse is grandiose. The meaning of grandiose is impressive or magnificent in appearance or style. Synonyms of grandiose is majestic, splendid, extravagant. The antonyms of grandiose is humble, modest, unassuming. The usage of grandiose word in a sentence is the example is the grandiose ballroom was adorned with chandeliers and marble pillars. The next vocabulary word is hapless. The meaning of hapless is unfortunate, unlucky. Synonym is jinxed. The antonym of hapless is lucky, fortunate, blessed. The usage of hapless word in a sentence example is the hapless driver got stuck in a traffic on his way to the airport and missed his flight. The next sentence is inexorable. The meaning of inexorable is impossible to stop or prevent. The synonyms of inexorable are relentless, unstoppable, inevitable. Antonyms of inexorable are stoppable, avoidable, preventable. The usage of the word inexorable in a sentence is the inexorable march of time waits for no one. The next sentence is juxtapose. The meaning of the sentence juxtapose is to place side by side for comparison or contrast. The synonym of juxtapose or compare, contrast, collate. The antonym of juxtapose is separate, disconnect, dissociate. The usage of the word juxtapose in a sentence. The artist juxtaposed bright colors with dark shadows to create a striking visual effect. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please click on the link button. If you did not subscribe the channel until now, please subscribe. If you like this channel and want to share to your friends, please share the video as much as possible. If you have any comments on this video, Please comment on the comment section. Thank you.